What about a Fed coin down the road? I mean, if you wind up having a currency that's unrelated to monetary policy, how does that play out? Well, David Zervos is here of Jefferies to help us with that. So what's your take on Bitcoin right now?
I think all of us went through different phases of skepticism, embracing, and I've come to grips with the idea that Bitcoin is a structure that people are going to embrace. I don't know whether it's going to be in Bitcoin or in Ethereum or in any one, Fed coin or whatever, or David Weston coin or whatever we're gonna do. But the idea that you have private transactions that can basically take place in a very simplistic way over your phone, it's just such an easy way to do things. It's going to be the future, and I don't know if owning it is the sort of way to capitalize on that future or not. And I've seen a lot of smart people that I know in this business get involved in it, and the only reason I got involved in it is because I saw other smart people get involved in it, which is kind of a silly reason, but I've seen when you see a lot of smart people doing something, you get involved with it, and I think that's what's happening with Bitcoin right now.
If this winds up playing out down the road, what we could be looking at is some kind of currency that is uninfluenced by Fed monetary policy.
Yeah, it's...
What does that mean?
Well, I mean, you're still going to have to pay your taxes in dollars. You're still going to have to, in the UK, you're going to have to pay your taxes in pounds. I think that at the end of the day, you're still going to need, you're going to need to get back to dollars. I don't think they're going to let you pay in Bitcoin, but if they did, it would definitely change everything. But being the monopoly provider of the currency in use is something that's very valuable to a country. Every country has a central bank, every country has a currency, and we don't have each state having their currency any longer. So I think it's going to become pretty clear to governments that if this thing takes off in the way that it likely does, they're going to have to figure out a way to curtail it so that it doesn't compete so aggressively with the existing currency structures.